Do you want to make a pie and don't know which flavor to make? How about making two different types of pies in one pie? Half cherry, half blueberry. It's easy to do, and I will show you how. What you're going to need to make this pie is you're going to need a 9.5-inch pie pan, a rolling pin, your filling that you're going to need, all-purpose flour, 1 cup and 1/4 of a cup and a tablespoon. And your ingredients is 1 1/4 of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/3 cup of butter or lard, and 4 to 6 tablespoons of cold water. So in order to make a simple pie crust, you are going to need your filling, and I had purchased cherry filling and blueberry filling, and you're going to need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/3 cup of cold butter or lard, depending on which one you like. I use butter, and 6 to 4 tablespoons of cold water. And you're going to make a dough out of this. Now you're going to do this 4 times until you've got a big giant ball of your dough. Okay, then you're going to want to knead it and roll it, and don't let it be sticky. If it looks sticky or wet, you're going to want to add more flour. Then you're going to put it in your pan, and then you're going to form it around your pan, and then put your filling in. Then you're going to want to put lattice work on top. So you're going to take some of your dough and you're going to cut it into strips, about 6 strips, and then you're going to place that horizontally and vertically going across your pie. I just put the pie in the oven, and notice that we have a cookie tin under here, because if your pie runs off, you don't want a big mess in the oven. So always have it nice and safe with a cookie pie, with a cookie tin underneath, and it should always work out well.